Hey, namaste everyone. Master Praveen here. So today I come back again with my latest update, which made me very excited that I'm ready to come in Mumbai to meet you with all you great and the sweet yogis. So I update you about the event, about the place and whom you need to be contact. So the first I would like to update about the three topics we will have for the back bending, which I told you last time, for the hip and for the yoga dance. So the timing will be, the date is on the 7th January on the Monday. The time will be the first event for the back bending from 10:30 to 12:30, and the second event for the hip opening, it will be from 2 to 4 p.m. and the one more event for the yoga dance, for the healing fun for everybody, that will be on 4 to 5 p.m. So we will have three topic on that day. So the location is location is the G3 Ajankya Meher Yoga Shala. So this yoga shala is belong to one of the very good and the very famous yoga teacher, very enthusiastic yoga teacher in Mumbai, Master Ajankya Meher. So I am cooperating with him and he is very much helping me and supporting me. So and the main address is G7 Mall next to Warsaw Metro Station, Andheri West, Mumbai. I will also give all the details in the written under this video in the description. So and so now whom you have to be contact. So you can contact the yoga master Ajankya Meher. His phone number is 80823658661, and you can contact with Miss Sangeeta Zivani. Her phone number is 96191788189. You can contact with Miss Shamali Chakravarti. Her phone number is 8600022373. They all are very great yogis and they all are putting their so much efforts to make this event successful. So I have another request from all of you who is interested to join this event with me and with all the sweet yogis, that if it's possible, so please bring 2 yoga blocks, 1 strap and 1 hand towel and 1 yoga mat, because I want to give you some new technique, like that technique you can apply these props, and so this practice you can know the sporting practice and you will know the normal practice and you will know some challenging and some intensive practice. So I also want to give you one advice that when you come for this event, so please have a very light breakfast before you come to this event and try to reach about 10 a.m. And if somebody is planning to attend all 3 events, so please bring there some food and some light food with them, and please also share with me a bit. So these are the all update, and about the price and other detail, so you can contact with these phone numbers, you can contact with these yogis, so they will give you the another details. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you in Mumbai. I am coming. Thank you very much.